Hey folks, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. We have a new one for you. Actually, and a confession, I did not make this guitar. I did, however, rebuild it. Basically, we made the neck. Keith and I got the neck going, and the customer liked what we did here so much that he wanted us to redo the veneer. So we redid the veneer, restylized it, brought out some of that hot pink pretty well. Oops, excuse me, I'll get to you in a moment. Hang on. Anyway, and yeah, so there you have it. So we just made it a little prettier. The pickguard was the original, all this setting. We did put upgrade to a Hipshot bridge, and like I said, we built out the neck. So all the other details on that are over here in the description. Please click like and subscribe while you're down there. Anyway, let's go over a little sound sample, and you know, it's not about the don't kill the player. That's all I'm saying. It's just going to give you a sound sample. It's low. There you have it, Sean. It's all ready to go for you. Thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.